Hello and welcome back to the channel. Okay, so we have another Ninja Foodi, or if you have an Instapot, another Ninja Foodi pressure cooker recipe. Normally we actually don't do this in the pressure cooker, right babe?
Yeah.
But today we're doing it in the pressure cooker just to show you guys how to speed up the process and stuff like that. If you guys are looking for a recipe of really good shredded pork with some fresh, it's like a fresh cilantro tomatillo green sauce. This is chili verde burritos. You're gonna make burritos, right?
Burritos, yes.
So this is a chili verde. Verde?
Verde.
This is a chili verde burrito in the pressure cooker. This is a rockin' recipe. We've made this a bunch of time. And full transparency, babe.
What?
We stole this from our fellow YouTuber friend, Cooking with Kirby.
Correct.
All right, so if you guys want to know how to make the most rockin' green salsa chili verde burrito with the most delicious, succulent, juicy pulled pork, this is the recipe for you. Are you ready, babe?
I'm ready.
All right, and here we go. Oh, babe, are you on a chair?
I am. I'm on a giant bar stool,
You're
so
on,
I can reach.
But you have your decorations. Look.
Yes.
It's Christmas.
And Hanukkah.
And Hanukkah.
All right.
All here. And the Ninja Foodi.
That's right.
Okay, we got to talk about the ingredients.
Okay, let's do it. So you're going to use between 8 and 10 tomatillos, depending on size. We have small ones, so we have 9 of them. We are going to use a dash of TD's.
3 chili cilantro, just because we like it. Because we messed around with this recipe a lot. We like
it's really good.
It's just good.
We're using 1 small white onion. If you have a larger one, you're going to use a half. We have 2 jalapenos, 1 bunch of cilantro, a 2.5 pound boneless pork shoulder roast. We're going to use a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 3/4 of a cup of water, 4 cloves of garlic.
Oh yeah, babe.
And 1 lime.
The juice of 1 lime.
1 lime.
So this is pretty much your little ingredients for your blender marinade.
Easy peasy.
Easy peasy. So basically you're making a blender marinade.
Yes.
You're throwing the boneless thing in there. You're on a stool.
We're going to put it
Those are your
in.
ingredients.
Yep. Easy.
Bob's your uncle.
Okay, so this is what we have for our 2.5 pound pork roast. And again, you have to base everything on the size of your produce. So sometimes you get these tomatillos and they're really small. Sometimes they're way bigger. So adjust that according to the size of them. So we have 9 little ones, but you could also do like 7 big ones, or you could do 10 tiny ones. So, and then we have a tiny little white onion. You could also do a half an onion. So just base everything on the size of your produce. Okay, so I'm going to start by putting our onion in, and then I'm going to plop in all of our tomatillos.
Is all this going to fit in the Vitamix, babe?
Oh, you know what? I'm going to make it fit.
You're going to make it fit.
Yeah. We're doing our whole jalapenos. We're not taking the seeds out.
Because you're gangster.
We like it spicy. We're going to shove our cilantro down in there. I'm going to put my garlic in. Now, we have a Vitamix. If you have a different one that is not as strong as a Vitamix, you might have to do a little bit of blending before you put everything in. But
so that's a juice of an entire lime.
My 3-year anniversary present.
Yeah, it is, babe.
It makes everything easier.
Yeah, babe.
I'm going to pour my water in. As long as you have the water at the base of it, it's going to be easier to blend everything.
And that's 3/4 of a cup.
That's 3/4 of a cup. We're going to do 2 teaspoons
of Mexican oregano.
Maybe a little more. I love this chicken bouillon. This is your salt right here, so you want to be careful with that. Don't do too much of it.
So we're doing about a tablespoon.
Calls for a tablespoon, but
you guys got to adjust your palate accordingly because it's pretty salty. And you could use chicken broth and water and all that stuff, but
right.
And then you got a little.
We're also adding the TDs.
And that's the TD's 3 chili cilantro. So it's just a good seasoning. We like it.
It's
and
good.
We've messed around with this recipe. We originally, like I said earlier, we got it from Kirby. And then we've kind of just messed around with it.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
got it all down. Okay, let's give this a little try.
That also makes a rockin' salsa.
Because it is technically a salsa. Green
It's really
is my
fresh.
favorite.
I do like that it's really, really fresh tasting.
It's so good.
So,
all right, let's brown the pork. Okay, let's get our sear saute going. We're over here. We're gonna go to sear saute on high, 5 minutes. Start. We're gonna let that warm up.
yeah, babe. This is the greatest thing because it has the built-in lid. You guys, link below for this. This is rocking. As you've seen our other videos, we love that thing.
Okay, we've got it nice and browned. We turn sear saute off. We're gonna dump our blender marinade in. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so good. And then I'm gonna use my trusty Thermoworks spatula. This is my favorite spatula on earth. They are the best. I would like to get rid of every other spatula I have. I'd really like them in pink, if I'm honest. Okay. How's that look, babe?
Looks great. It's time to pressure cook, I think.
Let's do it.
You can't film unless you're on the sink.
That's what little babies do. Okay. We are going to go on here. We're going to slide this over to pressure. We're going to leave it on high. And we're going to do 1 hour.
1 hour and 10 minutes.
And 10 minutes, yes. Okay. We're going to hit start. Takes a few minutes to set up.
And it's sealed on the top.
Yep, we have our seal over on the right place.
Yep.
Takes about 10, 15 minutes to set up. And then it will start pressure cooking. And we will see you back in about 1 hour and 20 minutes.
Boom! And fade back into us. Okay, the pressure cooker is pressure cooking. Babe's gonna make some pinto beans, homemade refried beans, which we will link a video. We've done that before.
Yes.
So we'll link a video up there, I think, of pinto beans, rice-a-roni Spanish rice, which is delicious. No joke, one of our biggest videos that we still get views on is how to make... Go on YouTube and say how to make rice-a-roni and our video comes up. That is awkward.
And your favorite. Oh my goodness.
I love rice-a-roni. Anyways, so babe.
Yes.
We have to thank our top tier channel members. Actually, everybody that supports our channel, everybody that's hit the join button, everybody who has subscribed. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We set a goal back in January 2021, which is almost a year ago. We're almost in the new year. To hit 10,000 subscribers. We need about
so close.
1,800 more and stuff like that. So if you guys wouldn't mind sharing this video out, hitting the subscribe button, this chili verde is going to be rocking. We've made it a bunch of times. We love stealing Kirby's recipes. And yeah, it's going to be good. So, all right.
Thank you for
We'll
watching.
be back when this is done pressure cooking, when Babe made the beans, when Babe made the rice, when she's building the burrito, drizzling some of that delicious green sauce that we've already scarfed like half of it with tortilla chips.
Good.
We're gonna do like a wet burrito, like a Mexican restaurant style. There we go.
There you go.
That thing is working away. We're gonna do like a green wet burrito, chili verde style, and yeah, we'll come on back. Oh yeah. All right, come on back. It's gonna be good.
Okay, so it's been 1 hour and 10 minutes, and we opened it up. It's still not ready. So we got to let it go probably another 20 to 30 minutes because it was frozen inside. So
That's our bad for letting it be frozen.
We're going to give it a little more time.
So what's the plan, babe?
We're going to pressure cook 20 more minutes.
Okay. Let's check back.
Okay. Okay, so we did the additional 20 minutes, and let me tell you, that's all it needed. And now it is shredding like... You're doing the gnar on...
What? It's fucking
on the hill.
Babe,
we're shredding the gnar.
Babe, what does doing the gnar mean? What does that even mean?
You're shredding the gnar like we're snowboarding.
I thought that was a surfer term.
Well, that's actually a snowboarder's term. I don't know about
I think it's a surfer term, babe.
Let's take a poll. Is it surfing or is it snowboarding? Because the only shredding the gnar I know is snowboarding.
That's because there's no oceans in Northern California.
I know. This is delicious. Look at this shred. Holy moly. So we ended up doing an hour and 30 minutes total.
Yeah.
And my goodness, let me tell you, I just want to dive in and eat a burrito, dude.
Okay, bro, can we make a burrito?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's make a burrito, bro.
All right, I put a little cheese. I've got a little bean. We're doing our Spanish rice, your rice-a-roni that you love so much.
Babe, you made those homemade beans and you made... Well, you didn't make the cheese,
and
but...
you ate most of them,
Well,
so
sorry.
there's not really a whole lot I can do. I'm gonna...
Wow, babe. Wow.
Here we go.
You know, a lot of people don't know how to roll a burrito. I do not know how to roll a burrito, babe. Did you know that?
I do know how to roll a burrito. However, this one...
Oh, you're also putting wet sauce on the top of it.
This one's a little bit harder because of all the sauce.
Oh, yeah. Dude, let's just do a quick close-up.
Okay, babe. I'm going to cut us each a delicious bite. Oh my goodness. This is going to be phenomenal. Okay, are you ready? Look at the shred.
Look at the shred.
Shredding the gnar.
Babe, it looks so good.
Yes.
Wow.
It's going to be really good.
You know me, babe. I always show the folks.
The meat, the beans, your rice-a-roni. Ooh.
Babe, I gotta be nasty with this. Hold on.
Cheese.
Hold on.
It's so good.
Hold on. Here we go. Hold on. Look at what we're talking about. People. I know the pressure cooker kind of didn't work out, but it did work out.
Totally worked out.
Yeah.
We just had to do it at the right time. Cheers.
Babe, we've had this recipe like 900 times, and it gets better every freaking time. It is so good.
That flavor is...
It is so good.